Welcome along to another fun-filled episode on Avin The Crack. Do you want to see a BMW M3 powered Datsun? Well, of course you do. Well, the good news is we've already built one at Avin The Crack. Me and Josh built it about 3 years ago. We fitted it with the 3-litre M3 engine, but it now is in need of a bit of a makeover. So we're ditching the 3-litre in favour of 3.2. It's having a brand new lick of paint. So we're going to kick off the build thread video with the strip down and getting the body ready for his new colour. So make sure you like, follow and subscribe if you're into your crazy car builds and engine swaps. Anyway, that's enough rambling. Let's get into it. Today we are on the Datsun, which means it's a non-Ford day.
Ain't happening. Ain't happening, son.
What are we doing then on the scraps then? What are we doing? Where are you going? No. Where are you going? Where are you going?
We don't work on Datsun.
No. No.
We don't work on Datsun.
No. Where are you going?
No.
Ah. Alright, so on my own then. That's alright. I'll turn it into a Ford. Only work on Fords. Full Capri. Oi! I was only joking, it is a Ford. It is a Ford.
Hey?
It's a Ford.
What is it? Capri, is it?
Capri, yes, Capri. I was only joking. It's not Datsun.
It's not Datsun. Yeah, alright, mate.
Look. Ford. It's a Capri, mate. It's a Capri.
Fuck. There's nothing you can say to him, Josh, is there? I'll have to work on it now then,
I'll work on it.
Damn it.
So first part of the scraps and makeover is get the old engine out. And then we got the new one to go in. So today we'll be taking this one out.
We rephrase less of that we, more us.
We'll all be doing it.
You might get involved there, mate, yeah?
I'll be getting involved in a minute. I'll set the camera up and then get the bonnet off, get the engine out, and then yeah, go from there. Same, mate.
Do you know what you're doing?
No.
You're actually working.
Yeah, I know.
You sure?
I'm learning as I go.
Learning?
Learning the ropes.
I don't think he's learning, is he?
No, I don't need himself.
Or is he doing already?
Give him another 10 more minutes, I reckon he'll be doing already.
Right up, son. Son, I want to do that.
I see, we're taking the earth off the engine so we can get the engine out.
Barry's going to take the exhaust off and the prop off.
How'd you get the exhaust off, Barry?
With a grinder.
That will be a grinder, or that reciprocating tool.
All reciprocating.
I'd start with the grinder if I was you.
I'll tell you what.
We can count that.
Perfect timing. Now we've just cut the brake fuel line. I've disconnected the fuel line, shall I see?
Oh yeah, nice smell of fuel once we're cutting, that'd be perfect.
Where do you want me to chop
Hey,
it? Should we give it that wide pipe?
Were they worth putting on?
What's that?
Were they worth putting on?
Those.
Do you see why we don't bother now?
Yeah, they just disintegrate.
You see why we don't bother, stupid covers? know what you're doing in here, Matty?
Yeah, it's wires, sound wires.
You sure about that?
Yeah.
This is automotive wiring now, not household.
Oh, same minute.
No.
You gonna take your hand up?
Oh, it's just like wiring out.
Might be around soon. She kicks you out.
Yeah, true that. It's nothing.
It's ain't nothing.
I'd kick him out if I was her.
I can't blame her. Putting all his car parts in the house. I mean, it's just taking a piss, isn't he?
Where's all the sensors to go back in there then?
Over in that engine.
Yeah, and swap it all over.
We'll have to do a bit of a hijack when we take it out.
So those are the ones that just ours, yeah?
Yeah.
Post.
Where does it?
That belongs to the engine.
You got to swap sensors over. You need the sensors, mate. You got.
Yeah,
You-
right. So this block's coming out as well, yeah?
Yeah, take that engine out and put it on the floor, put them side by side and do some swapping.
Swap
Good
it.
idea, mate. That's a good idea. Good idea, mate. Good idea. That's a good idea, mate.
Should be.
Josh is single if you want somebody, Barry.
Fucking hell.
Oh, I don't want to. He's too much work.
Stoop that low, Jesus.
Oh, mate. I can kick his car out. Should we put him out in the garden? He'd look lovely parts in the swim in the pond.
Oh.
Let it be free.
I have to get wires out there, so.
Go inside and post them.
Come post them out, mate.
Post them out.
In fairness, it is coming out.
Yeah, it's coming out quite nicely.
I don't know.
I don't know. Don't tell anyone.
Fuck. Right in the foot.
I'm still posting.
Twist sideways. Go for it.
I can now.
And she comes.
Hello. Yes, Avin The Crack have gone electric.
Back on the Scrapson today, and we're gonna get it all ready for spraying. So we've got our wonderful new friend, Mr. King Julian.
Hello everyone.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. Down, 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 down.
And we're in.
Physically fit. Physically fit. King Julian. In
There's
the
some
boot.
plunkers in this shed, I'll tell you.
Right in there somewhere. It's funny, I'm not.
So we're just having a little wander round, picking up any little dents and dings. What have you been doing for the last couple of hours, King Julian?
I have been realigning all the gaps
Yeah.
so everything fits nice. We've had wings off, scuttle off, and we're gradually getting there.
We're at the point of no return now. What are we going in with first? The 120?
120.
120.
See what it comes out like.
Off we go.
We'll be right back.
done. Fill her up.
Fill her up, she's finished.
One boot lock removed. Right, we've been over the car with the 120 grit on the DA. Majority of it is done now. King Julian is just taking out the windscreen. Got to take the tailgate off, and then he'll carry on doing a bit more sanding. This looks a bit precise.
Yes.
Easy job, isn't it? Coming out like a dream. Pop then, popped out.
Windscreen out with having no crack.
Right, body's all prepped. We're ready for our first coat of primer with King Julian.
Hey, whoa. Body ain't prepped at all. Look at the stomach on that.
I just had a cup of tea and some
That
biscuit.
is not a prep body at all.
It used to be a 6-pack, but I traded it for a barrel.
Hey!
Hey! So yeah, we're on the onto the primer stage now. You see there's bits of Datsun strewn everywhere. Don't worry about that. Extras. So yeah, we're all prepped, ready to go. Julian's just mixing up, and then primer on.
Somebody's created themselves a lot of work here. All because they didn't like the colour of his car to go with his wheels. Literally. All because of the wheels. Ah!
Hello, Jack.
King Julian! What are you doing?
Ready for primer?
No.
Ready for primer.
What do you like to do when you're holding on to that gun, Julian?
I already likes to move it.
I like to move it.
Hey, there we go. Good old King Julian.
I told you you'd have to tack cloth over me because he's going to get primer as well.
Ah, look, the dog's going to put some hair stripes in it for us.
Yeah, no, fuck it. Get rid of it.
Straight on the camera.
Look at the speed of this Leviathan. Look at go.
No. Explain to him the size of the gun you got for his teeth. I'm using a very big nozzle. It's 2.5. Not ideal, but you get very thick primer on it.
What he's trying to say is it fills in all the holes that are there.
No older than this, mate. on the next part with the Datsun build. It's all primed up. So next is the battery, Julian. See you on the next one. Part 2 of the Datsun build, spraying and reassembly. See you then.